Myself Supreet, I'm a startup solution architect with AWS.
And I'm Varun Kumar. I'm also a senior solution architect at AWS.
So why AI interview, right? So the talent acquisition space it's a very tedious process. For any given job role that's open, on an average, 120 people apply for the same job role. Now imagine the amount of the efforts that goes into hiring people, right? So you have to screen them, you have to find the relevance of the job roles based on the job description as well. So that's what we are trying to address through AI interview. But what we are trying to automate is the process of phone screening. Based on again a survey that's done by Forbes, 40% of the people actually lie on their resumes. So how do you ensure that what they are saying is factually correct, right? So that's what we are trying to automate through phone screening round. So yeah, off to you, Varun. You can just give a demo of the product.
Thanks a lot, Supreet. So if you look at it, the journey for the user starts from uploading the CV. You basically can come here, you can upload one of your PDF or a Word file. Behind the scene, we are using our AWS Texture service, which will basically extract all the information out of this resume, and then it will ask LLM, in this case is Cloud V2 version. So you can see on this particular screen, all the information like candidate's name, education, work experience, all those has been extracted and has been put together into a JSON structure. Now with this information, plus the entire job description, those will be submitted again to the LLM, where it will basically generate the question specific to this candidate. Now candidate basically on this question, he can come and he can answer those questions in a recorded format, or he can upload an audio file which is pre-recorded, right? Once you submit it, the model validates that answer, and it's doing two types of validations there. The first one is about a technical validation, where it's just checking for the factual correction or the technical skill-based things, that whether the candidate is given the right responses or not. The second it is checking is the soft skills, where it's checking for the grammar or punctuation or those kind of things for the candidate. It will take a couple of seconds, so it will give a rating based on a scale of 10 for both technical and soft skills. The approach which is taking here is what is called as hexagonal thinking. So LLM tend to hallucinate, right? They can themselves can sometimes give a wrong response. So what we are doing is we are asking a LLM through hexagonal thinking that whenever you are either saying an answer to be correct or wrong, you should give evidence against as well. You have to tell me that where you are referring it from, so that we can validate that the LLM is evaluating it in the correct manner. So as you see, the report has been generated. Now you can see in the report, the LLM has actually pointed out all those errors specifically with respect to the experience, with respect to the EC2 thing, that there is no region in Bangalore, and the candidate said that I have deployed in the Bangalore region. So those things it has pointed out. And as you can see, it has also given the references for it. So these are the evidences where you can go and check it out that these things which has been mentioned is factually correct. So but the LLM has correctly evaluated the candidate on this part. Finally, there is an interview summary. In this summary, basically the idea is that whatever was information was extracted, that has been given. Plus, there is an option where we are summarizing the entire interview evaluation report. Right now, this we have given a slider from 50 to 250 words based on the persona. You probably would want a different length of the summary. For example, an HR might just be interested into a 50 words report just to validate whether the candidate has to go to next round or not.
If you're someone who's looking at simplifying the process of talent acquisition, meet the AI interview team and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Yeah, thank you.